Hello and welcome to this tutorial for the Humap content management system. In this series, I will be showing you how to create and curate content on your Humap instance. This tutorial is for the Pages dashboard in the Humap content management system. Humap pages are where you create the content that surrounds your map. While the map is the centerpiece of your instance, pages are where you introduce your project and supply your users with additional information. To get to the CMS, you'll first need to log into your Humap admin account. You can do that by navigating to your instance home screen and adding /admin into the address bar and clicking Enter. On the login screen, type your email address into this box and your password into this box. If you would like the browser to remember your details, click Remember Me, and then click Login. There are two types of pages on Humap: content pages and home pages. To get to the Pages dashboard, click the Pages button in the menu on the left. Let's begin by making a home page. The first thing that you will need to do is click Create Page or New Page on this screen. You can then add a title into the title text box. Humap will automatically generate a slug or URL based off that title. You can preemptively add a slug or URL here, or come back to edit the generated one at a later date. Next, click Page Type. On the drop-down menu, you can decide if this page will be a content page or a home page. We're making a home page, so click Home Page. Next, type a description into the description text box. This lets your users know what your project is about. Where would you like your page to be located? Click Page Location, navigate to the drop-down menu, and then select either header or footer. Click Content at the top when you're ready to continue. Use the text box here to describe your project. The formatting options are useful for making your text pop, and you can use the hyperlink function to link your homepage to other parts of the web or other parts of your Humap instance. You need to create your Humap homepage before you can add images to it. Once you've done that, go to the Images tab and click Choose File to upload images. Next, give the image a name in the text box below. You can add as many images as you like, and you can also add a search background image by repeating this process. Let's add a call to action. Calls to action direct your audience and make it easy for them to get involved with your project. Add a title for your CTA in the title search box, and then add a short description into the content text box. Copy and paste a URL into the URL text box, and then name the CTA button in the button text box. Next, let's add some quick starts onto the home page. Quick starts are not compulsory, but they are really useful for directing your audience. Before you can add quick starts to your home page, you need to have made them in the Quick Starts section of the CMS. To add them to your home page, type a short description into the introduction text box, and then click the Quick Starts button, which will generate a drop-down menu full of quick starts. Okay, so when your home page is finished, click Create Page and then Publish. You can unpublish and edit this page at any time. Here is how a finished home page can look. Okay, we've made a home page, but what are content pages for? Content pages contain extra information or background on your project or other things that might interest your user base. Let's make an About page for our mapping memory project. Go to the Pages screen in the admin dashboard and click New Page or Create Page. Same as before, Name the page in the title text box. This will generate a slug or URL, which you can come back and change if you don't like it. Next, click Page Type, and on the drop-down menu, click Content Page. Use the page location selection bar to decide if you would like your About page located in the main navigation or the footer navigation for your website. On the Content tab, you can write or copy and paste an About section or any other content about your project. You can also copy and paste images into this section. Use the text formatting options to make your text more readable. Next, you can add a call to action by giving your call to action a title, content, button text, and a button URL. Calls to action are really useful if you want to direct your users to parts of your Humap instance or to other places on the web. When you've created your page, you can add images by clicking Choose File, selecting the image you would like to upload, and clicking Upload or pressing Enter. You can then name the image in the box below. To add quick starts, describe the quick starts in the introduction text box, and then click the Quick Start selection bar below. This will generate a drop-down menu of available quick starts. You can then click the relevant ones. When you're happy with your content page, click Create Page and then Publish. You can come back at any time to edit or unpublish the content page. Okay, let's see how our finished content page looks. If you have any questions or suggestions about this video or feature, please feel free to get in touch with us at team@humap.me.